In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure mondaycom for agencies, set up mondaycom for an agency, 5 minutes. Let's start at the very beginning by signing in to mondaycom. Once you're in, look to the top left and open the workspace dropdown. Create a fresh workspace so your agency operations are neatly separated from anything else in your account. A simple, clear name like agency operations works well and makes it obvious for anyone joining later. Inside this workspace, create folders to group related boards. Think about how your agency naturally organizes work. Many teams group by client, so each client gets its own folder. Others prefer departments such as sales, delivery, creative, or finance. Choose the pattern that mirrors how you actually operate so navigation stays intuitive. Next, click the plus icon and add a new board. Name it Master Projects. This board is the source of truth for every engagement you're running. Keep it main level in your workspace so it's easy to find and link to. Within master projects, use groups to represent project status. For example, you might create groups like intake, scoping, in progress, on hold, review, and completed. Grouping by status gives you a quick color-coded snapshot of what's moving and what needs attention, and it keeps long project lists manageable. Now add essential columns. Include a status column for the project state, a people column for the owner, and a timeline column to show start and end dates. Add a connect boards column, which will link each project to a centralized task board. This connection is what lets you drill down from a project to all its underlying work without duplicating information. Set up the centralized task board next. This is where day-to-day execution lives. Mirror the basics with columns like task name, project, linked via connect boards, owner, due date, priority, and status. Linking tasks to their project lets you roll up timelines, track workload, and keep communication aligned across boards. With the boards in place, configure views and automations. Add filtered views for each owner, a calendar or Gantt for timelines, and a workload view to balance capacity. Set simple automations like notifying an owner when a task is assigned or moving items to the completed group when the status is done to reduce manual updates. Finally, launch a management dashboard. Pull in widgets for active projects, tasks by status, upcoming deadlines, and workload by owner. Connect it to both your master projects and task boards so leadership gets a live high-level snapshot at a glance. That's your agency-ready structure in mondaycom, organized, connected, and easy to scale.